Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you the most trending dental treatment going at the moment. It's everywhere on social media, it's everywhere, everyone is talking about it. Every patient that walks in is literally mentioning it and it's driving me crazy. So guys, the most trending treatment at the moment is composite bonding. Composite bonding. What is composite bonding anyway? Composite bonding is a treatment carried out to repair chipped teeth, broken teeth, gaps in between teeth that don't look good, teeth that are longer than the others, literally to make your smile look really good. Some people use it just to make their teeth look really white if they don't want to go for teeth whitening, or teeth that are very stained and no matter what is being done, it's not working. That's when composite bonding comes in. It's less invasive. I mean, it doesn't damage your teeth. They literally just stick it on top of your teeth. So that's the advantage with it. The dentist doesn't have to get to sort of file down your teeth or anything. That's why it's trending so much. Here's the process. So what the dentist is doing here, they're preparing the tooth and they're gonna build it up slowly by slowly to make the tooth look perfect. Composite bonding is the in thing. You can't go wrong with it. The tooth will look perfect after. They will look nice and white, and I mean, you can't go wrong with it. The results are just amazing. Look at the end results. That's composite bonding. So if you don't know what to do with your teeth, they look a bit yellow, you can't get teeth whitening, or you've tried teeth whitening and it's not working, you don't want to touch your teeth in the sense of you don't want to sort of file down your teeth, composite bonding is your thing. So here you are, guys, check it out, speak to your dentist if you're interested in composite bonding. I'm not here to advertise it, but I think it's something that's very trending at the moment and it's worth you knowing how it works and what it is. Anyway guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll give you a minute to subscribe. Just subscribe at the bottom, give me the thumbs up, and I'll bring you more videos like these of things that are trending in dentistry and things that you would want to know. Or just drop me a comment to tell me what you want me to talk about and you won't regret it. Guys, thank you so much. I'll come back with other videos in the future. If you want me to talk about anything to do with teeth, feel free to drop me a comment. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day, guys.